Welcome back to another video, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. By the title of this video, you guys already know that this dirty Avalon is gonna get a touch up. So from those clips that you guys just saw, you know that it's very dirty. I haven't washed this car in months. I haven't cleaned it. I bought a lot of products so that I can wash it. I can kind of detail it and transform this car look brand new. You guys are not usually interested in watching this Avalon, and I don't really post about this car much just because it's my daily. But in this video, I just want to show you guys how you can make your car look a lot better, especially that a car that you drive every single day. You want your car to look clean. This also involves a nice car that you drive every single day. Before, I used to drive my Mustang EcoBoost as a daily, and I used to just take care of that car's paint and everything all the time. So, alright guys, so I already have bad news for you guys. The hand wash, car wash that I usually go to is closed. They have maintenance going on over there, which is so weird because every time I went there, it was always open. I'm stuck over here now. And I don't really trust these kind of car washes. Why do I feel like all of the options over here is usually like a scam? I'm so glad this is not any other car besides my daily, because those things definitely scratch your paint. So you guys gotta be careful with that. One thing I like is that they always give this. This is basically just to do a quick little wipe in your interior. Alright, so I just vacuumed the car. But these vacuums were straight ass though. They don't have no suction or anything. So I tried my hardest, go as much as possible. But I think we're good. I'm just gonna wipe the interior with that wipe that they provided. And I'm probably gonna go home and try using the products that I bought. Alright guys, so I went out and I bought $80 worth of cleaning and detailing supplies that will make this car basically look brand new. I don't know if it will make it look brand new, but it will definitely make it look a lot cleaner than the way it is right now. So as you guys saw, I just took it for a car wash. I got rid of all the dirt contaminants on top. Okay, to quickly go over what I ended up buying is, so I got some few towels here, microfiber, because you guys trust these with the cars. Nothing else. A clay bar set so I can just quickly go over the car with this right after the wash, which I'm going to do right now. Something that will make the black trim go back to how it was. Got myself a wheel cleaner and a tire one. Definitely needed those because look how dirty that is even after the wash. After the clay bar, you definitely gotta wax your car again. Tire shine, that just goes with this. And got some headlight restoring kit. You guys already saw with this kit, it does wonders. Right now, look how bad it is. Yellow, it's fogging, it's oxidizing. But with this, it basically makes it look brand new. And with this angle, you can definitely tell how bad the lights are. I'm just gonna go over on the car with the clay bar, and hopefully I'll be able to get rid of some swirls or anything that's on the paint and that's rough, including something like this. So I've never felt a clay bar before, but this shit is sticky as hell. I think it's supposed to just go on like this. I just sprayed this part, so you just pretty much do this the entire car. And this one is not the very strong one, this is like the soft one. Okay, but I don't know about you guys, I can definitely tell the difference between the paint over here compared to there. If you were to look at this light right here, you guys can see how it's not that clear, but as you walk towards this side, look how nice and better it looks. So that's the effect of the clay bar. It brings the paint out even more crispier. Look how much dirt just came out from that passenger door right there. So this is pretty disgusting. Oh shit, I'm stuck. Alright, I'm just gonna do this, flatten it, and use this side. Alright, so the clay process is finished and this clay bar is pretty much toasted, but it came out pretty good. Paint chips like these won't go away just because the paint isn't on there anymore. But besides that, the car looks so freaking good. Look at that reflection. I did the bumper as well, which was pretty hard, and it made the clay bar the most dirtiest. The car looks pretty nice. On this side, it looks very good as well. These doors look really good. They're very shiny. Okay, so now with a new towel, I'm gonna use this wax just to go over it, because when we clay bar the car, the wax on top usually comes off. So it's always good to spray another wax on top of it, and it protects it from the sun. I was able to put the wax on and it looks really good and it looks very shiny. So for now, I'm gonna probably continue this tomorrow. It's about to get dark in like 10 minutes and I won't be able to see anything. So I'll pick up this camera tomorrow. Alright guys, so we are back. Another day, another dollar. So you guys already know that this headlight kit does wonders. It basically transformed a lot of my older headlights to newer ones. I did it on my RSX Type S. Alright guys, as you guys can tell by the time lapse, the difference is crazy. It just came out pretty good. Look how nice these look. And I even did this one on the side too. You can now see my reflection in it. But yeah, that kit never disappoints. But now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the tires and the wheels. The passenger side looks very good. Even on the back, it looks really nice. That's me again. But now the car is pretty much done. It looks amazing. And now just enjoy these after shots. As you guys saw, there's a big difference on how the car looks now than how it was before. And I wanted to remind you guys again that this process, this budget cleaning process, could have been used for any car. It could be used for your EcoBoost Mustang, it could be used for your Acura RSX Type S, any daily car that you drive. You just want to clean your car, do a little bit more touches to it, and make sure the car just looks immaculate. One good thing about spending $80 on products is that it's not a one-time use. All the products that I bought are not finished, so I can repeat the process on many cars, and I would say that the $80 I spent was well worth it.